Hey guys, how's it going? Let's talk about AEW Dynamite from the 18th of January 2023. Firstly, and as always, this video in no way has been designed to deceive anyone. Due to copyright issues, this video is audio only and there is no actual footage in this video. This video has been created to still photos only, and these are my live highlights and updates from what has taken place on tonight's episode of AEW Dynamite. So I'll talk about Ethan Page in a moment, but what we did have is a match between Toni Storm and Willow Nightingale that was won by Toni Storm. Not only that, before the match, Saraya basically blamed Shida for the loss last week, and there are some clear signs that Saraya and Toni Storm are going to be turning themselves into heels going forward. I feel that it's the other way around. Shida is not going to be turning. It's going to be these two that are going to turn on her and attack her in the backstage area at some point. I'm almost certain, or wherever it's going to take place. But I think that they're going to turn on her. As for Ethan Page, he has called out Jungle Boy. And he said, "You can tap out Lee Moriarty, but can you do the same to me? Stay tuned for more."